You gonna crash in the chair? Alright, show me how you crash in the chair. Wow, big crash.
What's that? What's that?
What does it look like?
That's a commercial.
What he's doing?
He's gonna tell everybody to eat more chicken.
Cross your legs like a lady. There you go, sit like a lady.
What's the costume? Yo, Santa!
Santa! What do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas? A duck?
No, a duck. This
A doggy?
No.
We already got 2 doggies.
Oh, my phone.
Okay, your heck phone. Like I say, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.